Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can transfer USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account. So for that, log into your Binance account and then click on wallet, then go on spot wallet. The process is same whether on mobile device or on PC. So search for USDT here, and here you will see USDT. So there are different options to it. Suppose you want to send USDT to another Binance account. In that case, you will click on withdraw, and in case you want to receive USDT, then you will click on deposit. Now let's take an example that we want to withdraw our USDT from this account and send it to another account. So we will click on withdraw here, and this is the screen that you will receive, and in the address you will require address from your other account. So go to your other Binance account, and in this account click on deposit, then select a network. Make sure that you select the same network on both of your accounts. So let's suppose we want to select Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and you will receive the address for this network. So copy this and paste it over on your other account. After pasting it, select the same network that you selected on your other account. So it was Binance Smart Chain. So we will select Binance Smart Chain. Yes, I am sure. And then type in the amount that you want to withdraw and click on withdraw and confirm. And that's how easy it is to send USDT from one Binance account to another. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.